Well, today we're going for a walk up Winnats Pass. Excuse the wind again, it's another windy day here in the UK. The rock formations here are absolutely fantastic. I drove down here the other day, may have already seen the footage of that. How are them Osmos making it out? Some people right on the top of that ridge up there. Well, I've had smelly vision. What you can smell is burnt brakes going down there. Might be that bus. Well, the views just get better and better and better. That was a good old hike up Winnats Pass. We're now going to cross over the road at the top by the cattle grid and then head back over the pass itself, which is going to be interesting, I think. There's a good old view there looking down over Winnats Pass. We'll keep panning around. There's Mamtor up there. I keep saying it, but that view, wow. Oh, absolutely cracking view now down over Castleton. Wow, that's what I'm going to say. Well, you keep thinking you've seen the best view, but wow, look at that. Oh, now making our way back down. I think we'll come down Cavedale, I think, in a minute. Obviously then back into Castleton. Got the back of Peveril Castle over there as well. I've got quite a steep drop down here. I've just come across. And then through that little stile down there and then up the other side. And carry on past the sheep. Quite dodgy coming up through this section here, so just take your time. If you're coming down it, that is, or even going up it. Yes, quite a slope to come down, that one. This couple just here, they've just come up from down there somewhere. There's a path that comes up there, and they said it's full of stingers, really hard work. Yeah. Well, the views just keep on giving.
So pretty.
It is, very. Well worth a visit, folks. Well, the road campervan's all down there. The spotty dick is right at the very end, just before the trees. Hello. Hello. Well, I thought the walk was going to bring us down Cavedale. It appears it's going to take us down the side of Peveril Castle instead. Which you can go down the side of Peveril Castle, the other side of Cavedale, but this is coming down the left side of it, and not the right side of it. Yeah, it's quite a steep slope downwards. It's a busy day today. It's been a Saturday. Beautiful. Or, as we said when we went to Iceland last year, beautiful. Oh, we're now on our way to Treak Cliff Cavern, Why is everything in Derbyshire uphill? Up steps. Whew, certainly keeps you fit. Good thing about up is it gives you even more fantastic views by a different direction. Finally made it to the entrance of Treak Cliff Cavern. Whew. I spy you in my little eye.
Something begin with
W.
the whiff.
Whiff. Well, we start off with a 40-metre long tunnel which you have to duck. Oh. Ow. Yes, that's head banged. So that because I've got the sun hat on, I mean that's real full protection.
Approximately 1745.
I wonder if we should have had the thing going a bit more.
Why?
Don't know. The audio book. The green flora you can see there has been nicknamed lampen flora because it's been grown under artificial light. There's also a little bit more of it here. The camera's going to pick that up. The light's very bright. Yeah. This area is known as the Ridley vein, which has been named after the miner who exposed it. Not quite sure how the camera's going to pick this up, but there's lots and lots of fossils in the rock there.
Around 330 million years old.
Is that all?
Yep.
Nearly as old as the mother-in-law. Old mining truck. Ladder.
He's getting wet.
Yes, you do get dripped on here.
Put the audio on.
Yeah, 1 second. We've now reached the Aladdin's cave. Stalagmites. And the way to remember it, children, mites go up, tights come down. It's fantastic in here. But it's fantastic in here. This is the Dreaming Cave. We've got a cage here just to stop people from grabbing hold of the stalagmites, or stalactites should I say. Oh, you know about it when you come back out into the bright light, it's very, very squinty. Is that a word?